Alright, I have my WS6 out here idling. It's running Flowmaster 80s. I'll show you guys. That sounds like I don't know, it sounds nasty. There's an inside shot. Got a nice stereo. 2 12s in here. Bag of chips. Can't beat it. T-tops. Ram Air. All good.